Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set a timer on your Android smartphone or tablet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the clock app. And then you want to select the timer button. And then at this point, just go ahead and type in what you want the timer to be set to. And then you would select the play option and then it would start. You can add an additional minute by selecting the +1 minute item. You can pause it and you can also restart it by selecting a little reset option up at the top. And then you just would select play. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.